Right now, something very strange is happening inside Windows 11. Microsoft, the same company that spent the last year forcing AI into almost every corner of your PC, is suddenly pulling it back. And not in a loud, public way. Feature by feature. Almost like they don't want most people to notice. And that raises a much bigger questions. Is Microsoft actually fixing Windows 11? Or are they just hiding something deeper? Because in the latest Windows 11 Insider builds, something unexpected has started happening. Copilot, the AI feature that was once everywhere, is slowly disappearing. Not completely gone, but definitely not where it used to be. Now at first glance, this might sound like good news. Because let's be honest, a lot of users were frustrated. Copilot wasn't just an optional feature. It was everywhere. Inside Notepad. Inside Paint. Inside the Snipping Tool. Even showing up in places where it didn't really belong. And people started asking a simple question. Why is AI being forced into basic apps? And Microsoft heard that. Or at least, it seems like they did. Because according to recent reports, Microsoft has started removing Copilot buttons from core apps like Notepad, Snipping Tool, Photos, and Widgets. But here's where things get interesting. Because what you're seeing is not exactly what's happening. Yes, the Copilot button is gone. But the AI itself? It's still there. Just renamed, repackaged, and hidden in plain sight. In Notepad, for example, Copilot didn't disappear. It was simply replaced with something called writing tools. Same features, same AI capabilities, just a different name. So now the question becomes, did Microsoft actually remove Copilot, or did they just rebrand it to reduce backlash? Because this isn't a full rollback. It's more like a strategic retreat. And that distinction matters more than you think. Because internally, Microsoft has already admitted something important. They said they want to reduce what they call unnecessary Copilot entry points. Think about that for a second. Not remove Copilot. Not eliminate AI. Just reduce how often you see it. That means the goal hasn't changed. Only the presentation has. And if you've been following the evolution of Windows 11, this actually makes perfect sense. Because over the past year, Microsoft went all in on AI. They turned Copilot into the center of the Windows experience. They even designed new hardware, Copilot Plus PCs, built specifically for AI features like Recall. And that's where things started getting controversial. Because features like Windows Recall raised serious concerns. Not just about performance, but about privacy. The idea that your system could continuously track what you're doing, take snapshots of your activity, and store that data, even if processed locally, was enough to make a lot of people uncomfortable. Now officially, Recall only works on Copilot Plus PCs with specialized hardware. It doesn't run on standard systems. At least, for now. But here's the part most people are not talking about. Just because it's limited today, doesn't mean it stays that way tomorrow. Because Microsoft has already experimented with expanding AI features across different hardware levels. And if history tells us anything, it's that features introduced in premium devices eventually make their way into mainstream systems. Which means this isn't just about removing buttons. It's about reshaping how AI fits into Windows. And right now, Microsoft is clearly adjusting its strategy. Because the original plan didn't land well. Users felt overwhelmed. Apps felt bloated. And the simplicity that people loved about Windows started to disappear. Even critics and tech communities pointed out that this AI push felt forced rather than useful. So now Microsoft is trying to fix that perception by making Windows feel cleaner again, more minimal, more familiar, but without actually giving up on AI. And you can see that clearly in how they are handling these updates. They're not removing functionality. They're just making it optional, less visible, less intrusive, and in some cases, easier to turn off. For example, in Notepad's new version, those AI-powered writing tools can be disabled completely from settings. Which is a big shift. Because before, you didn't really have that level of control. And this ties into a much bigger change happening behind the scenes. Microsoft is slowly moving away from the idea of AI everywhere and shifting toward AI where it actually makes sense. That sounds simple, but it's a massive change in philosophy. Because earlier, the strategy was aggressive expansion. Now, it's controlled integration. And that shift didn't happen randomly. It happened because of feedback, because of criticism, and because of real user frustration. Even organizations like Mozilla criticized Microsoft for pushing AI too aggressively into Windows without clear user control. So now, Microsoft is trying to win back trust. But here's where the suspense really builds. Because we still don't know how far they are willing to go. Will they completely separate Copilot from Windows? Will they turn it into an optional app? Or will they keep it deeply integrated? Just hidden better? Because right now, it feels like we're in the middle of a transition, not the final result. And there are still big features users are waiting for. Things like movable taskbars, better update control, a cleaner system experience overall. Features that were promised, but not fully delivered yet. So this current move, removing Copilot from apps, might just be the beginning, not the end. And if Microsoft continues in this direction, we could actually see something very interesting happen. A version of Windows 11 that feels closer to what users actually want. Less clutter, more control, more choice, but at the same time, still powered by AI in the background. Used when needed, not forced when it's not. And that balance is exactly what Microsoft has been struggling to get right. So the real question is, have they finally figured it out? Or is this just another temporary adjustment before pushing AI even harder again? Because if there's one thing we've learned from Microsoft, it's this. They don't move backwards. They move sideways, then forward again, just in a different way. So don't just look at this update as Copilot is gone. Because it's not. It's still there, still evolving, still part of Microsoft's long-term vision. The only difference now is how visible it is, and how much control you actually have over it. And honestly, that might be the biggest change of all. Because for the first time in a long time, Microsoft is actually listening. But whether they continue listening or go back to forcing features again, that's something we're about to find out very soon. So if you care about where Windows 11 is heading next, you might want to pay very close attention to what happens after this. Because the next update could completely redefine the future of Windows. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay ahead of every major Windows update before everyone else catches on.